Giles Malone here for SpaceCoastDaily.com. I'm here at Grand Villa at the corner of NASA and US 1 in Melbourne. I'm here with Dr. John Potomski, and we're talking about the upcoming symposium. Doctor, could you tell us something about the symposium starting on November the 28th?
Yes, we have our 23rd annual long-term care symposium, which will be at the Rialto Hilton here in Melbourne on November 28th. And the symposium was started 23 years ago to try to give education to people involved in any aspect of long-term care. And long-term care goes across the whole spectrum. Once people leave the hospital, they may begin to a rehab center, they may go into a skilled nursing facility, transition to assisted living, and then also to home care, and then some patients also with hospice. Although they're all the aspects of the long-term care continuum, and what we've tried to do is we started this program out to give back to the community, to provide quality education and state-of-the-art education to all healthcare providers that provide any aspect of long-term care.
Okay.
So we'll have physicians there and physician's assistants, nurse practitioners, licensed nurses, licensed social workers, anybody that has a medical license and they take care of folks in that long-term care continuum. And there is no charge to the participants. That's our what we want to try to give back to the community for taking care of our treasured elder population.
Wonderful. And what time of the day does the symposium start?
The symposium starts at 4:30, and we have many exhibitors that will be there from 4:30 until 6 or 6:30, and then at 6 o'clock our official program starts, and we have 3 speakers on 3 different aspects of long-term care. One of the speakers actually retired recently from CMS, and she's going to talk about the new culture change as we change the way people think about long-term care and make it more of a home-like environment, tailor it to more patient-centered care rather than just institutional care. So she'll be a great speaker, and 2 other speakers, and one's going to speak about fall prevention and osteoporosis, and the other speaker is going to talk more about how we can control infections, and one of the number 1 infections is C. difficile, which we have in both hospitals and the long-term care setting. So we've got 3 excellent speakers lined up, and again, we're looking forward to the program.
Well, Doctor, thank you very much for bringing that to Brevard once again. It's a very valuable resource. Anyone interested in that information can go to SpaceCoastDaily.com. We'll have all the agenda there. Doctor, thank you very much for everything you do for the elders of Brevard County, and we can't thank you enough. I know you're a former Central Florida humanitarian and incoming president of the Brevard Medical Society, so we want to thank you on behalf of Brevard County.
Thank you, Giles, for helping us and to spread the word to folks in Brevard County.
Thank you, Doctor.